We're making bacon cheddar ranch Hasselback chicken with potatoes on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Oh, now bubble over. Uh-oh, uh-oh. This thing is fucking full of shit. Okay, well I'm glad she's a pixie trucker, but she's not a shit trucker. Welcome back, guys. As I said, tonight we're making bacon ranch cheddar Hasselback chicken with bacon ranch potatoes. Or bacon cheddar potatoes, sorry, not bacon ranch cheddar potatoes, just bacon cheddar potatoes. These recipes are courtesy of, it is flavormosaic.com and damndelicious.net. So if you don't know what we do here, guys, I go on the internet, find a recipe every day, and we go to the store, get the stuff, and cook it. Simple as that. Been doing it for 96 days right now, I believe. We're on day 96 of my 365-day cooking challenge, and day 36 of my world record attempt, which is cooking a different recipe off the internet every day for consecutive days. For as long as it takes for them to give me a world record, I've got the application in, see what happens with it. Anyway, guys, let's get to this one. We're going to start with our potatoes. So they recommend putting a couple sticks on the side of the potatoes so you don't cut all the way through. I already washed these. We're going to cut them fairly thin all the way along. Not going too deep because I don't think I need to, but I find the sticks actually are firm more than anything else. Less than peanut gallery. Fine, I'll move the sticks before I cut myself doing it. Probably a good idea. Never made these before. I thought they looked really neat, so I thought, why the hell not? Well, can I get the idea to turn it around so I don't know what to work with here, as I am right-handed. Ooh, slip. Little slit there on that one, no biggie. Whoever gets this potatoes get gypped a tiny little bit. Whatever. I don't care. Alright, so that's about the gist of it. I've got 3 more of those to do. Back and forth. So now we got them all cut up. We're going to stick butter in our little holes. I don't know if I'm going to do every single one, guys. That's a lot of holes, but we'll get a little bit of butter in each of them. This could prove to be difficult. There's a lot of holes. I think we're going to miss some. Alright, that doesn't look like there's much at all, but hey, whatever, I don't care. Get some more stuffed up in here and see how that works. Alright, so that's kind of the idea. We'll keep going on them. We'll be right back. Alright, finally they're all done, so now it tells us a little bit of salt and pepper. We'll pop them in the oven for about an hour. I got most of the butter jammed in the little holes for the most part. I think they're pretty good. May not look the prettiest, but hey, I can beat them. So, chuck her in the oven at 400 for about an hour. Here we are. Alright, so now we're going to do our chicken. It says to do pretty much the same thing, but I got bamboo skewers out so I don't cut all the way through the chicken. Hopefully this works a little better than the spoons last time, but yeah, there we go. Didn't cut through the bamboo. Don't have to be as wide and narrow on this one, so. Alright, so that is how we're going to cut the chicken. I'll keep going on those guys. So now we're going to make our cream cheese filling for these guys. Got our cream cheese softened with a little bit of paprika, garlic powder, ranch dressing dried mix. It's supposed to be Hidden Valley, but I can't find Hidden Valley, so it's Clubhouse. And finally some chili. So we're going to mix that up in there. Now we're going to put our cream cheese in the gaps of the chicken. That's what it tells us to do. So it's all coated in there properly. Don't really know how much we're supposed to put in. Just I suppose as long as there's enough for all 4 breasts, it doesn't really matter. So now we're going to take our cheese and our bacon and stuff all the slits. I don't know if I'm supposed to smear the cream cheese all over it like that, guys, but oh well, it's too late now. It seemed like the right thing to do at the time. So the bit wider slots, I'm going to put a couple pieces of cheese in. The narrow slots, I'm going to put one piece. Like that. Followed with our bacon. I think this one's going to be interesting dinner. Kind of looking forward to this. It looked kind of neat, so figured what the hell.
Not recommended eating of your own diet.
Probably not. No. No. I suppose you use light cream cheese. Light bacon. Anyway, I'll keep on rolling on these bad boys, guys, and I'll be right back. So the breasts are all done. They're ready to go. Take a look at those bad boys. I think they look all right. They should cook up nicely. So we're gonna pop them in the oven for about 45 minutes. Let them cook.
This is gonna be a good one, guys.
Welcome back, guys. Our chicken is out, and so are our potatoes. They're looking beautiful. Prettied them up with a little bit of green onion and sour cream. Why the hell not? Looks pretty damn tasty, though. Looking forward to this one, guys. Let's see how she tastes. Try a piece of that chicken first. That was really good. Kind of exactly how I expected. Yeah. I can't really go wrong with cheese, bacon, and ranch and stuff. Actually, the dressing's really nice in there. You really taste it. The piece of potato dry. Kind of fell apart a little bit, but. Oh, yeah. Not perfect. Exactly. Anyway, guys. I'm taking a look at the date and time. It is 7:15, the 8th of April, in Temiskaming Shores. We'll go ahead and leave a screenshot of that bad boy too. And, guys, if you want to see me make it, throw it in the comments. Don't forget that like, don't forget that subscribe button too, guys. And we will see you next time with something else. Bye for now.